how to run ads on Instagram. If you want to run ads on Instagram, just follow the steps. Open Instagram on your phone and then go to your profile at the bottom right. Scroll to your contents and choose a content that you want to promote on Instagram. For example, I select this video. Under the video, click Boost Post. Select a goal. What results would you like from this ad? More profile visits, or more website visits, or more message. For example, I select more website visits and click next. Select target audience. You can select automatic. Instagram targets people like your follower, or you can create your own or manually enter your targeting option. If you want to create audience, you must type audience name and select location. You can select regional or local, or maybe type the city or your states or your country. For example, I type my city in Indonesia, and you can see estimate audience size and click icon at the top right, and you can targeting interest of your audience. Maybe sports, sports car, and click icon at the top right, and you can targeting age and gender. For example, 23 to 42, and gender you can choose all genders or pick one, maybe male. Click icon at the top right and click icon at the top right again, and we go to the next steps by click next button. And budget. In the budget section you can change maybe just 126,000 daily budget in rupiah in my country Indonesia. And you can set duration, maybe 3 days or 2 days. If everything is good, click next button at the bottom, and you can review your ad. Okay, and you can review your ad. Your ad will run in this placement in feed and in other places like stories, explore, and reels. And click on back icon at the top left, and then you must add funds. Click add funds and select your payment method, maybe bank transfer, and you can type your amount, 150,000 rupees, and then click next, and then please complete your payment with the following information. Once you have paid, the funds will be added to your prepaid balance. If everything is good, click done and complete your payment, and just do the last step. Click on Boost Reel. And that is the tutorial on how to run ads on Instagram. Hopefully it works for you, and don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.